this video, I'd like to show you how to install the tailgate panel. The first step is to thoroughly clean your tailgate with soap and water. In addition, I use a lacquer thinner to remove any remaining dirt and oil. Here are the tools you'll need to install your tailgate panel. You'll need some 3M VHB tape. VHB stands for Very High Bond. You'll need a masking tape, a caulking gun, some silicone. I used a black Dynaflex 230. You'll need 3 spacers and 2 index blocks. The next step here is to apply the 3M tape to the tailgate, as shown here. Be sure to leave the film on the tape. Next, you'll want to temporarily install the tailgate panel. You want to make sure that the chamfered edge is towards the end of the tailgate. And you want to line up the ends of the panel with the ends of the Tailgate Defender. Next step, you want to apply the index blocks to each end of the tailgate panel. Then you want to apply some masking tape on each end as well. Now this next step is optional. I'm going to apply a bead of silicone all the way around so that no dust or any debris gets underneath of the panel. Next, you'll remove the film from the 3M tape. The next step is to place your spacers. Now we're ready to reinstall the tailgate panel. Remove your spacers. Your tailgate panel is now installed.